how to turn off BitLocker or remove password in USB flash Windows. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, go to your start menu and then search for manage BitLocker and open this. After that, you will see BitLocker is off for me, but if you have it on, simply turn on BitLocker. And after that, you'll see an option of remove password right over here if you have it turned on. So after removing the password, simply turn off. You will get an option separately. So that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.